Hello, my name is Josh Davis, and today I will be presenting my forecasting project on Carl's Ice Cream here in Bloomington, Illinois. These are the final monthly numbers for 2022. I chose to use the cumulative mean method as I thought it was the far most accurate display of data that I could find in my calculations. Um, so the naive method has strengths and weaknesses. The strengths are it's very simple and easy to understand. There are minimal computations needed for this method, and this method also serves as a baseline for comparing more sophisticated methods. On the other hand, the weaknesses this method is sensitive to outliers and can be influenced heavily by extreme values, as well as lack of sophistication, poor predictions for data with complex patterns. The cumulative mean average method. Some strengths are it is also simple and easy to implement, and it provides a more smooth trend of data. The weaknesses include lags occur when there are abrupt data changes, and this method does not work well with data that has changing mean over time. Lastly, the moving average method. Strengths are smooth presentation of data and is easier to find trends. Sensitivity to outliers is reduced, and there are different variants of method that can better adapt to diverse data patterns. With the weaknesses, there is a higher probability of lag in responsiveness and an inability to capture patterns that are more complex. With the seasonality and location impacts, during the summer months, this leads to higher demand because of the warmer temperatures, and ice cream is enjoyed more often in the warmer temperatures. In the winter months, there is lower demand because colder weather is not as many people are enjoying ice cream. You have to think about the location of Carl's is in Illinois, which is in the Midwest, and there are also warm. We also experience warm temperatures in months of September and May, which leave room for continual demand. Another thing to think about with the location is there are several other ice cream shops in the area as it is a college town. There is very high competition. As well as I thought the level of certainty of accuracy between 1 to 100, I think, would be 90. I picked the cumulative mean average method because of the level of error. The level of error is very reduced. The mean just to the data that accumulates while the moving average data just alleviates errors and short-term fluctuations. The cumulative method data had lower error rates, which led to more accurate data, which is why I picked it. These impacts, these seasonality and location highly impact the sales data and the consumer behavior of Carl's ice cream. These non-data related aspects may cause some shifts in demand or consumer preferences that historical data alone might not be able to capture. In the data I calculated, the summer months of June, July, and August had the lowest averages due to these months having the highest demand for ice cream. And obviously the averages were higher in the cold months of the year because there is more supply being left because there is lower demand as well. In the end, I just felt cumulative mean average was more realistic and it provides a better estimate as it adjusts to changes over time.